All right, guys, we are back and we're going to show you the 2021 Salem Grand Villa 42FK. This unit is 43 feet long, has 4 slides, and can sleep 9 people. Here on this unit, you'll notice that we have the nice awning with the LED light strip. We do have the nice sliding glass doors. And something neat on this unit is that you have your outdoor speakers, which can just add to your entertainment outside. Over here, another neat feature to this unit is the road vac. Basically, you hook in your vacuum hose and clean your camper up, and it's all self-sufficient. Really neat option. All right, guys, we are here in this unit, and this unit happens to be a front kitchen unit. That kind of gives you the ability to cook, eat, but you can also see everybody that is in your living area. You can watch TV while cooking, and then you can also check on your kiddos who are up in the loft being rambunctious and that type of thing. In your kitchen here, you will notice that we do have Whirlpool refrigerator and microwave. Over here, you'll see the 3-burner stove and the oven here, which is the Furrion brand. You will notice that we do have a lot of storage in this unit, both up and down. You do have storage under your sink. Nice place to hide your trash and that type of stuff. You do have a dual sink with your drying rack that is removable. Over here, you'll see the dinette. Super cute, very functional. And you do have, if you look up, really nice modern type light fixtures, a skylight to make your cooking kind of experience a little bit better. You do have your air conditioner and a ceiling fan. Ceiling fans for me are a must-have, so any unit with a ceiling fan is a winner. All right, and right here you will see the pantry. We've got 4 shelves, lots of space, super deep, great functional part of this front kitchen. And over here, we'll walk into your living room, and here we have residential theater seating, which it's meant for people who are going to camp for long, extended periods of time. It's more durable. It's going to last a little bit longer. These 2 sofas here will pull out into beds, so you could sleep a couple on each bed there. We do have here your 50-inch TV, which you can obviously from all parts of this living area. Super useful. And then a 36-inch LED fireplace, which is not only cute and kind of adds to the look of this unit, but it actually does emit heat on days like today. All right, now I'm going to show you guys the bathroom of this unit. Bathroom again is very nice, super wide. You do have your foot flush toilet, really nice linen closet, very functional, super useful. You do have here your nice walk-in shower with your seat, very spacious. And over here you have your nice farmhouse sink, lots of storage, super cute with a really nice mirror. Okay guys, now we are up on the 2nd story of this unit. On this side here you'll have 2 mattresses, you can sleep 2, and you do have a nice blind to cover the loft so that the kids sleeping have privacy and the parents have privacy when they're in the living room after the kids go to bed. All right guys, we're up on the other side of the loft. On this side you have 2 twin mattresses. You do have some shelving for the kids. You do have USB ports on each side to charge their electronics. Nice little stand here to put their drinks or whatever they may have. This unit also is equipped with TV hookup, so they'll be able to put their TVs there. Another fun kind of thing with this unit is that it is pre-wired for Wi-Fi. Again, it doesn't come with Wi-Fi, but you have the ability to install the Wi-Fi. All right, guys, and in this unit, you'll also have up here on the loft on this side, you'll have this nice deep storage area for all the kids' fun little things that they want to bring with them. And then they'll also have air conditioning up here as well. Okay, guys, we are here in the rear private bedroom. This is a king bed slide. So you have a nice king bed, really kind of cute bedding. You have storage up above your bed. You do have your lights for reading. You do have your outlets, and you do have a spot for your USB charging port. Over here, you have very, very, very nice and big dressers. That will definitely, for your extended stays, keep everything you may possibly need clothes-wise. And over here on the side, you have a really nice wardrobe, his and hers. Very nice. It's mirrored, and some additional drawer storage here.